learned nursery class can be done from last week of April to second week of May. Failure of rice transition season. Seeds are sown in prepared beds when they are 25 to 50 days. They are transplanted to a nursery. Prepared bed soil will be tightened so they will add manure to the soil and transplanted. Weed management. This can be reduced by proper water management. It can be some water management. Water management. The proper water management will be unable to the crop filter. Drainage. Now provide each harvest depending on the weather, so the soil is right or heavy. Traction, windrowing, harvesting and milling. By weeding the shades,